What's up guys, in this video I'll be showing you guys the iPad Pro along with the Apple Pencil. So first of all, let's take a look at the Apple Pencil to save the excitement for the iPad till later on. So Apple Pencil on the side, as usual, like it is with any other Apple box. Though no Apple logos at the top and the bottom, or at the two ends of the box. Some information on the back, as usual. And then the Apple Pencil on the front. So let's take the plastic off. It's an interesting way to open the box, because usually you take the top off on an Apple box, but interesting difference here. So designed by Apple in California, as usual, the little sleeve or envelope with the quick start guide in it. So it's again a new system here, because the envelope itself has a sort of thicker bottom. So here's the little bit of info on setting up the device, warranty information, and that's that. So here's the Apple Pencil itself, sitting nicely in a tray with a little plastic around it as well to protect it. The texture of the pencil itself is a little different, I think, from the first version, because that was a bit more sort of glossy and slippery in the hand, whereas this is softer. And I think that's better, especially if you're writing for a long time, taking notes on something, or it feels better in the hand than the previous version. So let's take a look at the iPad. That's what this video is supposed to be about. So here it is. It's the 12.9-inch version, which is quite big. It's more of a laptop replacement if you're getting this, because as you know, the MacBook has the MacBook Pro 13-inch model is not much bigger than this. So as you can see, 256 gigabytes. This is Wi-Fi plus cellular, and the silver version of the iPad Pro, the newest one. So take the plastic off. So, here's the box. Take the lid off, the traditional Apple unboxing way, and there's the iPad sitting on the top, which is again different from how iPhones are now, because obviously there the quick start guide sits on top over the device, but now we have the iPad on top here, so you can see the slim design. In this little sleeve, plastic sleeve. So this is obviously more of a rectangular shape. Doesn't sort of have a round back as previous iPads, like for example the iPad Air. So you can see the speakers, as well as the USB-C port, which is new from Apple. They decided to abandon the Lightning port for this, and I think it's a good decision, because obviously many companies are now, many brands are moving towards the USB-C, but it was quite unexpected. So there's the point where you can attach the Apple Pencil, magnetic. It's quite strong actually. Snaps onto the device. Let's take a look at what else is in the box. So, as usual, the information about setup, and see Face ID information there. if you really don't have a clue about how to operate this. And then there's the SIM jack, the usual power brick, wrapped in its own little plastic protector. Here we go with the that's the cable, wrapped nicely to keep it in an organized way, and then as you can see, both ends are USB-C. So here's the device itself. There's the pencil. That's, I guess, how we'd be taking it off and putting it back on again. It's really firm. It snaps on. As you can see, it doesn't fall off. You could shake the device and it wouldn't fall off. It's really strong, so you wouldn't lose it. So you can see the place where you can attach the keyboard, and then on the back obviously the camera, which is sticking out quite a lot. Some people will not like that. I personally don't like that much. And then the antenna bands, which are interestingly not symmetrical, which is something strange from Apple. So yeah, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.